In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your GoDaddy domain with your Shopify store, a process that should take just about 5 minutes. Connecting your domain to Shopify is an essential step in personalizing your online store and giving customers an easy-to-remember URL. First, we'll start by heading over to Shopify's website. If you haven't already set up an account, you'll want to kick things off by clicking on Start for Free. This allows you to create a Shopify account if you haven't got one. Once you've logged into Shopify, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Next, navigate your way to the settings. You'll typically find this option near the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Once you're in Settings, go ahead and click on Domains. Now, since we're focusing on connecting a domain you already own, you'll want to choose the option that says Connect Existing Domain. This is key because it tells Shopify that you've already purchased your domain from a third party like GoDaddy. At this point, Shopify tries to make things as simple as possible. If your domain registrar happens to be supported, you'll see an option to Connect Automatically. By clicking on this, you'll be prompted to log into your GoDaddy account. Shopify's system then guides you through the steps to authorize this connection. It's fairly straightforward and requires following the on-screen instructions to grant permission. Once you do that, just hit Connect, and if all goes well, you're on your way to having a connected domain. But what if you don't get the automatic option, or prefer to do things manually? That's perfectly okay too. Shopify will provide detailed instructions on the DNS records you need to update with GoDaddy. Typically, this means altering the A record and CNAME record to align with Shopify's specified IP address and host name. For this step,